নমস্কার, আজকে সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা 207th এপিসোড। আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আজকে বাজেট ফ্রেন্ডলি শাড়ি দেখাবো, কিছু মিক্স ব্যাগ কালেকশন দেখাবো, নানা রকম মিক্স করে ইকোনমিক্যাল রেঞ্জ যেগুলো তত্ত্বতে দেওয়া যায় বা রেগুলার ইউজ করা যায়। সামনে সরস্বতী পুজো আসছে, এরকম কিছু সব মিলিয়ে মিশিয়ে কিছু শাড়ি দেখাবো, দেখতে থাকুন, আশা করি ভালো লাগবে। মটকা বেনারসি কয়েক বছর বিগত দেখাচ্ছি এবং ভীষণ ডিমান্ড, কারণ এটা একটা এমনই হালকা এবং ইকোনমিক্যাল রেঞ্জের শাড়ি যেটা লুকটা ভীষণ গর্জাস, কিন্তু রেঞ্জ ওয়াইজ আর লুক ওয়াইজ, রেঞ্জ ওয়াইজ তো ভীষণই রিজনেবল এবং সে তুলনায় লুক ওয়াইজ ভীষণ গর্জাস। প্রচুর আপনারা এগুলো নিয়েছেন, আমি বিক্রি করেছি বিগত 4-5 বছর এবং প্রচণ্ড ভালো রেসপন্স। এখনও এর ডিমান্ড শেষ নেই, প্রচুর চাহিদা। প্রাইস সেমই আছে, বরং কমেছে। এগুলো 4750 ছিল, এখন 3850। মটকা বেনারসি প্যারট গ্রিন, তার সাথে ফিরোজা কালারের, ডিপ ফিরোজা কালারের বর্ডার, পুরোটা গোল্ড জারি ওভেন। এগুলোর মধ্যে একটা সেলফ টেক্সচার আছে, এগুলো কিন্তু পিওর সিল্ক না, এগুলো ওভেন, মানে এগুলো ব্লেন্ডেড আছে, এর সাথে একটু ব্লেন্ড করা আছে, কটন ব্লেন্ডিং আছে এর সাথে। এটা হচ্ছে ব্লাউজ পিসটা, কিন্তু এত হালকা আর পরে এতটাই আরাম যে মানে এটার চাহিদা মানে প্রত্যেকটা, মানে আমি যদি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপেও মটকা বেনারসি আপলোড করি সাথে সাথে বুকিং হয়ে যায়। তো এগুলো 3850 মটকা বেনারসি, অল টাইম ফেভারিট, ভেরি মাচ ইন ডিমান্ড and reasonable range also. Range wise it has a very rich look. First of all, it is very soft, it has a great fall, and it is as I said, it is economical range also. This is a milk white and red color combination with gold zari, gold border. It has a pallu. These are the look of Katan silks, actually Tassar, Katan, Dupian silk. We make these kind of design, those are in pure handloom product. This is blended and power loom product, but the quality, the texture, the weave is very very good. You can rest assured these will be very comfortable also. Along with the blouse piece, only 3850. This is a white and red color combination, especially when you need to give many people during the wedding or for any Poila Boishak or for pujo purpose also. Those who are collecting products for their weddings, they want to give it to their relatives. It's a very very comfortable and very liked product. So I'll show you some lovely colors. The prices is now 3850. Before these were, you can check out our Facebook page, before these were 4750. Now this is 3850 only. This is a peach color, coral and orange color combination, gold zari with a orange border. As I said, it has a woven pallu, woven border, 3850. I'll show you the back side, very well cut, well finished, no problem at all with a contrast orange color blouse piece. You can check out our Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata, where Srimoti album is there. Sanskriti Kolkata Srimoti album. Many of you have shared your special moments, beautiful pictures wearing our Matka Banarasi, and I must say you look stunning, and the demand is always increasing, not decreasing. This is a nice color combination, so just take the screenshot if you're interested. This is the pallu. If the product is available, I'll give you my bank details, business account, Sanskriti's business account, bank details. You make the payment, we'll courier it to you within 2 to 3 working days. Black and red, all gold zari, pallu in red and red blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece, red with the border. You can check out this collection in Weaves and Looms album in Facebook page. Please to like the page so that these still pictures you can check out, our regular notifications you can get, Subscribe to our YouTube channel Sanskriti Kolkata, all notifications, bell icon you will see. If once you subscribe to the channel, the regular new videos that I upload, you will be able to get the first notice, because it's first come first serve basis. So whoever is booking first will get the first priority. This is yellow and orange, lovely golden yellow. Again ideal for Saraswati Puja also. With an orange blouse. Those looking for the Bashanti collection, the yellow collection. So you can see this color, it's a very pretty color, gorgeous rich color combination. Product number 53850 only, and I've got many more colors. I've got very nice color combination in matkas. So this is a navy and a red color combination. Such gorgeous bright pallu, only 3850 with a red blouse piece. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Sundays we are closed, Monday to Saturday we are open every day from 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Bookings are also accepted on Sundays if I am active and all. If I am in station, then definitely the bookings and the replies I will be doing. Else please give me some time to get back to you. Once you are making the payment, the proper GST invoice will be sent along with each shipment. Kindly send your name, address, telephone number and your PIN code in one format after you make the payment. If you want the blouses to be stitched after transfer, we can contact you to the tailoring department. This is a butter color, a cream color with a red color combination. All these are very festive color combinations. We really need these combinations for any puja purpose, for gifting, for any, this really looks nice, this beautiful butter color with this red color combination, white and red, butter and red. These are lovely, all time favorite color combinations. Please do visit branches for more options. We have many more collection in both the branches. The staffs will be readily able to help you. Check out our WhatsApp status where new products or repeated products are uploaded every day. So this is another lovely coral peach and rani color. That was peach and orange. Now this is peach and rani. So many options I am giving you, lovely color combinations. Number 83850. Better to make the sari blouse only because it has a nice, these are dyed products, so very difficult to get a matching blouse with this. So make use of this full blouse and use the sleeves also. Short sleeve will look nice in this, or also you can go for sleeveless or a cap sleeve or a puff sleeve. Anything will look nice, any traditional look. Very fresh, soothing color combination. Now this is semi silk with digital exclusive kalamkari printing. Now see how collage way this printing has been done. Exquisite printing in box pattern, very smart design with a gold zari border. This is the pallu. 3850 for this. 3850, product number 9. 3850 with tassels. And see this is not woven, this is print. How well the print is done, it seems as if it is woven. See, exactly like the Banarasi pallus that I show you, it's just same concept, but this is printing. Very smart, very fashionable, very chic sari. This is the blouse piece. $3850. I have two prints in this. This is also another very smart print. It just seems like the Persian carpets, lovely. Very smart printing. This is in Ajrak box form with a printed Ajrak blouse piece. All these are semi-silk with zari woven border. As I said, this is really very fashionable. The third print, number 11. Patola printing. So kalamkari, ajrak, and now coming to patola printing. But all these are not woven, digital printing. 3850 only. It's just like collage. The printing is just like collage printing. Very interesting, very uncommon and very interesting, and only 3850. This too has a green textured printing blouse piece with this. So this is the blouse piece with this. Now coming to Patni border tissue Banarasi, antique gold. It is somewhat bronze finish. This part is antique gold and this part is bronze gold. It's a very uncommon color combination. Not in it's a very uncommon with Patni woven Meena border on the tissue border. 3250 only. 3250. Very gorgeous look, ideal for summer formal wear. Such a gorgeous, rich look in weave, and that too with a lovely brocade blouse piece. Very gorgeous sari, very gorgeous, especially the border. You will just love the softness and the feel of the sari. It's so soft. Another tissue. This is gold with Jamdani weave. Now see. All over gold Jamdani weave, rich gold pallu, rich gold blouse piece. So the pallu and the blouse piece is in woven gold. Now see the rich gold border. These are zari kota. These are zari kota with all over weaving. pallu 4850. Jamdani weave 4850 with this gold blouse piece. See the border, beautiful gold border with a touch of silver. Number 14, I simply loved this sari. Rani color border in gold zari kota, Banarasi, full tissue, and see the mohapar. Very pretty sari. Those who don't want to wear gold and red and want to wear something different than red can go for this color combination. 4800 only, 4800. It's a very, very pretty traditional weave in Banarasi in gold and Rani color, and you will love the blouse piece also. Here is the blouse piece. Very, very pretty sari, very pretty. Gorgeous, simply gorgeous sari. Now coming to linen Banarasi Meena border. Again another all-time favorite sari with sleek narrow border with Meena Buta, big Meena Buta all over. Very pretty color combination. $3,990, 3,990 rupees. See the pallu, very pretty color, and the Meena is also very gorgeous, and it has a very gorgeous brocade blouse again with this. These are gorgeous, stunning weaves in very economical range. Another lovely linen without border. It's a borderless sari with with all over buta throughout. The sari itself has a lovely texture. The linen texture is already there. No border. It has a contrast purple pallu. And since it's borderless, it has a gorgeous rich blouse piece also. Very pretty. Another color, wine color. See the rich gold border, all over gold buta with Meena. The color, nothing to say about the color. It's the most richest color in the Banarasi section. And here is the blouse piece. Okay. Number 18. Again, this is semi-silk, all over buta embroidery and katha printing done in the border pallu. So it's art silk with this tiny flower embroidery throughout. The border that you see is printing, but looks as if it's Katha embroidery. That concept only done in printing form. 3990. See the pallu. Lovely Katha printed pallu. 3990. Crochet narrow border. All over embroidery. Buta will come all over, and it has a lovely printed blouse piece. Now once you make it with this blouse, it will seem as if it's Katha stitch done in full blouse, but it's all printing to keep the price low. It's a very smart looking, very pretty sari. Even the color combination is very nice. It's kind of rustish color, not exactly rust, it's a peachish rust color. Two colors I can show you in this. This is another light military green color, bluish military green color, very unusual shades actually. And see the lovely pallu. The pallu is gorgeous pallu. And the whole body will have this buta. Here is the blouse piece. Same 3990. Matka Banarasi in solid color, gold weaving, very reasonable price, very soft, scarlet, small booty all over. This is another new sleek woven border in gold. Here is the pallu, only 2990. Konya Buta, 2990. See the back side, so well finished. Red. Within 3000, you are getting a very, very exclusive economical range Banarasi. Here is the blouse piece. Red blouse piece. Ideal to give during the wedding, to give the bride and all. It's a very pretty sari. Even when the sisters want to wear it during the wedding and all. I'll show you some nice colors in this. Navy. This will also look nice with a red blouse. Very smart looking. This is the blouse piece. But even if you wear a contrast red blouse, this will also look nice. Magenta. So for those who were wanting little budget friendly saris for gifting or for even for occasion wear, but pocket friendly ones, so these you can have a look. All these will be uploaded in the album Weaves and Looms in Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. The link is already provided. See, this magenta is also very pretty. Blouse piece. Another purple. very bright sari, very pretty sari. One side Konia Buta, all one side Konia Buta minded. 2990 only. Blouse piece. All the colors are very grand looking, very gorgeous colors. And here is the close up of the pallu for you. A pink color. So you see, I'm giving you many options. In case you like 5 or number 8, give me options. It will be really helpful. This is a pink color. So even this blouse piece will be plain with the border. More collections are woven regularly. We are creating many more new collection in our factory, in our looms. So keep watching. Please do like, share and subscribe so that you can get the notifications. Now coming to Jamewars. Banarasi Jamewar weave. These are very soft saris, very soft ones. Here, extremely soft. Just a minute, I just opened the back side. Yeah. The blouse was stitched. So this is the right side. So this is very soft Banarasi, very soft ones, and very it is so soft and it has a great fall, and moreover it is fully woven. So this is totally zari woven, but see the back side, not a single zari thread will be out. It's so well woven. This is the border. Back side, this I'm showing you the back side. This is the front. Very gorgeous wine and bottle green color. Bottle green pallu. Now I'll drape it for you. You'll understand. Of course, the mannequin is also wearing one, so you can more or less understand how great the fall will be. Initially, when I had just started YouTube, then also I had done an episode on Matka Banarasi. I was wearing a white and yellow color border. Same price even now. And this is the blouse piece. This is the bottle green blouse piece with this, and this is the sari. See how well the fall is. These are all Chanderi Banarasi Jamewar weave. Many people, you can say these are soft silks also, but these are all blended and these are not handloom product. So reasonable range, but very good fall, and it's very economical, very soft, and it gives a very grand gorgeous look. Now the mannequin is wearing a purplish magenta color with again a bottle green border. That was a wineish color, maroonish wine color tone, and this is a purplish magenta color. Now you can see how rich the whole weave is. Price only 3,990 rupees. So soft, so soft. You know, it just feels like butter. Very soft, and it has a beautiful fall. It's looks so rich and gorgeous, and only within 4,000. You can see this texture, and it has just a lovely impression of all gold weave. It's a very copper gold weave. Very pretty sari, very pretty. 3,990 with a bottle green color, Jamewar woven blouse piece. I'll show you now the available colors in this. navy and a deep firoza. What a lovely fresh shade is this. Can you see how well the, when you wear it, it will give a two-tone look. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, the navy woven blouse piece, and this is the sari. Very pretty. Look at this color. Now coming to another very pretty color, wine color with yellow. Again, for those who are looking out for yellows, for wedding morning, for Gaye Holud. Can you see the self texture? Yellow with gold all over weave. The border, wine color border, amazing. The pallu, and the rich wine color blouse piece. See the color combination? The blouse piece is just stitched, so don't think it is anything. This is just stitched blouse. Green and wine color. अच्छा लग रहा है तो कमेंट कर दीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए. हम लोगों को भी अच्छा लगेगा, हम लोग पढ़ते हैं. I read all your comments, I read all your messages. Even in the WhatsApp, when you send me your reviews, sending the picture of the sari or reviews, all are uploaded in the status. I really cherish reading your reviews, whatever critical comments you have for me. Definitely I will accept it. There's always scope for improvement. I'm not the best, but I'm trying to be one. So this is the blouse piece. In all the posts, the prices are openly mentioned. There's total transparency in our store. From day one only, even in the Facebook page, even in YouTube, I've been very open about the quality of the product. If it's machine made, if it's handmade, I've been very vocal about whatever it is. Correct information you will receive from me and even from my staff. The last one in this, navy and a firoza. Very gorgeous, rich. Now here, since it's a contrast one against a darker shade, the weave is very prominent. All the other saris that I showed you all have the same weave, but probably because this is in a darker background, the weave is very prominent. Now you can see from here how gorgeous the weave is, and the color combination, navy and blue. It's a beautiful color combination with this blouse piece in firoza. Blouse piece, sorry, that was the pallu, this is the blouse piece. This is the sari. So that's it for today. Before I end, I'll just tell you a quick something about my sari. I'm wearing a chinon with a Kashmiri embroidery, machine embroidery Kashmiri border. All over buta, black and red coral combination. Black, red and coral color combination. It's It's in chinon, very soft. Here is the fall of the sari. This is once again the border, totally thread work. The blouse is in black with the piping. 9,950 rupees. 9,950 is the sari price. It's in chinon, Kashmiri embroidery with all over buta. And the neck piece that I am wearing along with this stud, 850 rupees is for the neck piece along with this earring. It's a very smart looking stud earring. It's a nice top earring, ear top, and this is the neck piece with it has a magenta stone setting in this in antique silver. 850 rupees is for the set. Sari is 9,950 rupees. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching till the end. Namaskar.